Hey guys, this is not gonna be my first video. I'm gonna be teaching you guys HTML, HTML in 10 minutes. All right, so gonna get my timer ready on this one. All right. So Toggle is a platform that I use all the time to keep me focused. You can sign up for the free version. I'll drop the link down in the bottom. But it's good to study code for an hour or 4 hours a day. But today we're going to be doing 10 minutes. So let's start this timer. Um, so most of the course material is going to be on Code Academy. I recommend you guys go to codeacademy.com. There's a free version and there's a pro version. I recommend you guys start with the free versions. Get that set up. I'll drop down the link down below to get started on the free version. But we're going to start out with HTML. So as soon as you get in, I guess we're going to start an introduction to HTML. Basics. Alright, so every platform using it for the first time will start off as Hello World. So these are tags. This is your body tag, this is the H1 tag, this is a divider tag, it divides different stuff. This is the body tag. So everything, HTML, basically I'm going to read up the whole setup, but it's very easy to understand. HTML is an organized collection of family tree relations, so as I'll exercise to replace p tags, which is paragraph tags, with the body tags with elements contained inside the elements, and consider the child element. The child element is said to be the nested tags and parent element. So to break down what they're talking about, these are two body tags. Everything has to go between the body tags. So currently they're telling us here they want us to make a paragraph tag, right? Which is simply this arrow, P, well, lowercase p, this paragraph is a child of body. All right. So basically what's going on here is basically we're making a paragraph tag in the middle of these body tags. We necessarily don't have to put it between these H1 tags. So keep a quick tip, if you want to copy and paste, you can use Command and the C button on a Mac. Windows might be something else, but we're going to delete that. And we're going to put it underneath the div tag. Alright? Well, delete the div tags. We don't need them. Alright? So, example above, the P tag element is nested in a body element. The P is element considered the child, and the body element is considered the parent. So we can see that added two space using the space bar for readability. Alright? So basically, if we run this code right now, it should work. But basically, this is HTML structure is only basic. It's a setup of tags, and what we're going to be doing now is going to be running this code. The paragraph is a child of the body. All right, so we're going to run it. So look, now it outputted the paragraph is a child of the body on this side. It also reminds us that a P element is a child of a div. So we can also leave in the div tags, but we necessarily don't need it. It's just a divider tag, really. So basically all the tags do start off with an opening tag and an end tag. Let's see here. If we run this now, it should close it out. I guess we get an error here. This is where problem solving in HTML really comes in. Let's see here what's going on. Since you can be in multiple levels of nesting and analogy can be extended to grandchildren or great grandchildren and beyond. Relationships between elements and as descendants elements of the known hierarchy. So basically, I'm going to freestyle every of these paragraphs. So basically, there's going to be a totem pole for setting all these up, and we have to follow a certain order of everything else. So necessarily, if you want these inputs to come out, you'll never put these outside of the body tags. Everything has to be. Just think of the structure of a human body. It's going to be the H1. It's going to be the body tags, the H1 tags, paragraph tags, ending it with body tags. If you don't have these body tags, you would not run the code. So for example, look at this. This is gone. Wow. Well, let's still run the code. Let's see here. Let's put this back. Let's see why we're getting this. It's not really. Let's see. Tag must be paired. Missing. P tag. Oh, so what happened was I didn't close this tag. So now we should run without that error. So let's consider a complicated example using some new tags. So here we have a child tag underneath the parent, sibling to the P, almost a grandchild's body, sibling H1 to also be the grandchild's body. I think necessarily we don't have to put this in, but we can move on to the next setup. Let's see here. So the next thing we're going to be talking about, guys, is called headings. Headings is an HTML tag with similar headings. Other types of media, for example, newspapers, large headings in typical use capture readers' attention. Other than terms, a headings describes the content of the title, movie, education, article. So just think of header tags as different headings and different sizes. So look at the H1 brown beer. This comes out like this: heading about brown beers. H2 species is a little bit smaller heading. Species. H3 is features. So what do you think will happen if we put in heading 4? Do you think it's going to be bigger, or do you think it's going to be smaller? Let's say grand ending, and see what happens when we run this H tag. See, look, from here is a small heading. So let's go over what we just talked about. Following list of headings and elements that is available in H1 tag. Order largest, smallest size. I use the main headings or all other small headings to use subheadings. So these are the different subheadings under the headings. The following example code uses headlines intended to capture readers' attention. And the largest heading to heading element. So look here. So now we're gonna mess around with this code. H1 breaking news. You want to close the tag. So right here, we're going to run this code. And look, we get breaking news. Alright, so let's follow this next instructions. Now that you know the structure of HTML elements, we'll spend most of the rest of the lesson building on a website. Using the most HTML elements, we put some elements to get started from write the rest of the page on your own. All right, so this is where problem solving comes in. Now, coding is all about problem solving. Just figure out the simple steps to get something done. So simple here, it says that we have to use a h3 tag. And we're going to put features as listed at the bottom down there. And then we're going to put h2, well, not h3, h2 habit. And then we're going to close it out. I'm going to end the tags. Oh, well, we don't want to do that. I'm going to run the code. And look what happened here. We also getting tag pair missing h2. Oh, so look, I didn't close this. So that's why, no, I didn't close it out. So this is why it should pop off now. So when we click run, it should run. All right, so let's work on the different subheadings that we have here. So the next step is below habitat.